In our journey through the Konkan coast, today, Tuesday, we are going to do Kurlya Sukhe or crab sukhe. So it's crab. So we have blue crabs here. I cut them in half, cut the claws. We'll cook this in a masala gravy. This will be dry. You can have it with rice. Let's start cooking. We'll add some oil to the heated pan, and then to this we'll add sliced onions. So this is 3 onions that are sliced, and these are ginger and garlic again sliced. So we'll make a paste out of this, so it doesn't need to be roughly sliced is fine. And then we have coconut, so grated coconut. We're going to use that. We're going to fry this till golden, and then we'll make a paste out of this. We'll add a little bit of salt. The onions are fried, so you can see this is turned brown. So we'll make a paste out of this. So we made a paste out of the onion and ginger, garlic, and coconut paste. So in the hot pan, we'll add some oil. To this oil, we'll add mustard seeds. We'll let it crackle. To this we'll add some curry leaves. And then we'll add the paste, the onion paste. We'll add some spices here. So here we have a blend of 15 spices, Malvani masala, and this one is turmeric and a little bit of red chili peppers. Add just a little bit of water to cook the masalas or the spices. We'll add the tamarind paste, and this is concentrated tamarind paste. You can make your own. I bought this. I want to add a little bit more salt, because if you remember, I've been adding little bits and pieces to this, and then finally when we taste it, we'll adjust the seasoning before we put the crabs in. We'll add some water to this, and this is the paste that we made. We just put a little bit of water. Turn the heat up to high. It come to a boil. Add the crabs. We'll bring this up to a boil and then we'll cook it in medium to low heat until the water has evaporated and the crabs are done. Water has evaporated and you can see this has become dry, the gravy, and the crabs are cooked, so you can see that the crabs have turned red. So that means that the crabs have cooked. So we'll shut off the heat and we'll serve it. Kurlya Sukhe or crab sukhe from the Konkan region is ready. So there you have it. It's simple. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day and see you tomorrow.